Who's that?
Good
A
question.
little screw or something?
What's up, buddy?
Some kind of little...
Oh, it's a spring. You don't see it. It goes on the side of one of the drums.
Yeah.
I think it's more for looks, but
Come here.
Do you want to go put him in the truck?
He's alright. He's just sniffing. It's all new to him.
Yeah, so we gotta get some shelves, and I don't even know what... She has so much, like, these toys, you know, like these random little, like... You know, I saw kind of a cool thing where somebody just took, like, little mop buckets, you can get them in whatever color you want, and they took, like, 8 or 9 of them, probably 9, and they drilled holes in them and strung rope and, like, built a little pyramid, and it just, like, leaned up against the wall, and they just shoved all their kids' toys in there. And it's low enough where they can pull them out, and it's open so they can see what's in there, but then it puts everything up on the floor. I have to make it out. Just start looking at, like, don't I wanted to do yay! Say Mommy's song. Sing Papa Chum. Hey.
Twirl him in the air.